This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to save your Surveymonkey results as a PDF. Whether you're looking to share your survey results with team members, stakeholders, or simply keep a record for future reference, saving them as a PDF ensures that they're easy to access and view across different platforms. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can quickly and efficiently save your Surveymonkey results. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Surveymonkey website. Open your preferred web browser and type in surveymonkey.com in the address bar, then hit enter. This will take you to the Surveymonkey homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your surveys. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, the next step is to locate your surveys. Look for the option that says All Surveys on the dashboard. Clicking on this will display a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. This is your starting point for selecting the specific survey results you want to save. Now that you can see all your surveys, find the particular survey from which you want to save results as a PDF. Once you've located it, click on the survey title to proceed. This will open up the survey details page. We could appear on you to access various options related to that specific survey. Next, you'll want to click on the Analyze Results tab. This option is usually located in the navigation bar or menu within the survey details page. Clicking on Analyze Results will bring up the survey data and analytics, showing you how respondents answered your questions. It's here that you can review the data before saving it. With the results page open, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a button labeled Print Survey. Although it might sound like we're about to print a hard copy, this is actually the gateway to downloading a PDF. Click on Print Survey to bring up the print options. Finally, in the Print Options menu, you'll see an option to download PDF. Click this option and your survey results will begin downloading as a PDF document. Depending on your browser settings, you might need to choose a download location or confirm the download, but otherwise it should be a straightforward process. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Surveymonkey results as a PDF. This method is particularly useful when you need a convenient portable format to share or present your survey data. Remember, having your survey results in a PDF format makes it easy to access and distribute, ensuring that your data is presented professionally and clearly. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check SurveyMonkey's help resources for additional support. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.